All right, guys. It is Daniel here, Daniel Shield II, if you will. Back again with a great edition of the famous apple bombs. Today we're going to be doing some regular apple bombs, and then we're going to be doing some chocolate cherry bombs, which I have never done on video before, but I have had before, and they were very good. We are very low on our supplyage here, so we're going to be using this spoon, okay, small, and then also we're going to be using a butter knife, which, I mean, you can't go wrong. We have some oil. You can probably hear it.
You can't see it.
We got some oil up there.
Yeah. Getting ready.
And that's getting hot. So what we're going to do first, always the butter, right? This is some pretty hard butter, but that's fine.
Hey,
Now, if you remember my last video, I think we used about a half tablespoon of butter. I don't really like to use measurements. It's all done with the heart. And
that's terrible advice, Daniel. You know it.
Yeah, you know what the bacon grease?
So we're going to do, well, I've cut off the tablespoons. So that's about a half tablespoon right there, according to my calculations. Oh, gosh. All right. So now that you have your butter, okay, remember you're going to chop it up. Chop it up. My hands are clean, by the way, okay? They're in our water canteen here, which my dad graciously bought this, and it says do not drink, but I promise it's clean city water.
No, it's not poison.
So now we're going to take our butter. We're going to lay it out. I think that we're going to use a little more butter for this one. I'm just feeling it today, and I don't know why. Okay. So there we go. We got our butter down. Now, we're going to take our apple pie filling. This is not zero sugar, okay? If you ask
it's
Noah,
actually all the sugar.
If you ask Noah, zero sugar tastes awful.
It really did.
If you ask a diabetic, it's good for you, so. Hey, what's the point
Bringing in the second knife here.
The pull tabs? Hey, there we go.
There you go.
Oh, by the way, what? Are we gonna put them on plates before bringing them to them? The extra ones we made?
We'll put it on this plate. Or
we have plates.
We'll put it on your plate, Jaxson.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Hey, there we go. Apple pie, and now the cherry pie filling's opened up. We got our apple pie filling. So now, as you all know, we're gonna take a little bit of apple pie filling, which is more than one apple. Okay. Ugh. These are big apples too, so we're just gonna do.
New York? You're putting New York?
New York, holy cow.
New York.
Hey, no, you said.
I said New York?
Yeah.
No, you said the Big Apple.
Oh, the Big Apple. I was like, what?
You did.
Inside comedic.
This is that one gonna be.
Are you gonna cut all this out, Daniel?
We'll see. No, probably not.
The whole
raw footage. Okay. So now we have our apples. And let's get a little bit more. So this is like the gel.
Ooh,
You go post all this.
Can't really.
Good stuff. Okay. Now, the star of the show, cinnamon sugar. Okay. I don't even know if this is opened.
I don't think so.
Oh, brand new. Brand new.
Awesome.
The
Daniel,
butter
why
knife.
Did you do that?
The
There is a
plastic
flat
butter
for a
knife.
reason.
There's
tabs on them. Yeah.
Butter knives are dangerous. They can be dangerous. Like,
Yeah, if you hold them wrong, yeah.
I don't know why I was hushing the cinnamon sugar, but that's why we were hushing, just so we're all aware.
Is it your baby or something?
Yes.
You're hushing your baby, like.
Okay. We're just by the heart.
Oh yeah, I think that's good. Huh? Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Okay, now we're gonna do the fold. Okay. We're just gonna do a classic fold here. Okay. One. Okay, the classic apple bomb fold. And I think I actually have my tongs here. Okay, and you know the drill. We're just gonna hold it like this, and we're gonna get it in that oil. But first, we're gonna see if the oil's ready, and this is how you do that. Now, oh man, I'm getting old for this. The best way we're gonna do this is we're gonna come over here.
Noah.
Now it's gonna be dangerous, so you wanna make sure you're doing it right. Okay.
Watch it hold
that sideways. Yeah. Okay. We're gonna take a little bit of water on our fingers.
Is it ready?
I don't think it's ready yet.
I don't think it's ready. Are we gonna come back when it's ready?
Yeah, so we're gonna pause it here and then we'll come back. All right, guys, so before we get to frying the apple bombs here, we have 3 so far. I'm going to show you how to make the cherry bomb. It's pretty similar. Okay. So first, you use yourself some cherry pie filling, okay? Hershey milk chocolate bars. You can get chocolate chips as well. Those work too.
Bless you.
We're actually
dying
going
over
to
there.
do 1. We might do 1.5. We'll see. We'll see how I'm feeling today. I might be feeling a little frisky, if you will. And you're still going to need butter, but we're not going to need as much for this one. Because we're using the chocolate, so kind of don't need too much. So, oh wow. And we have a wood delivery from some local scouts here.
We have.
Talking about, guys, we're going to put a little bit of butter. Not as much. Okay, just... Oh, what the heck is that? I don't know. Fuzz. Okay, just a little bit of butter this time.
I'll put some stuff there. Yeah.
Put some stuff
They
there.
gave us small sticks and some bark. So I put,
Guys, we have flame.
Hershey bar. Oh, you probably smell that through the camera.
Yeah.
Right there. Right there. That's all it takes. That's all it takes. Okay. Then we're going to come with our cherry pie filling. Boom. Get it all up in there. Does that not look delicious?
I'm not a big fan of cherries.
Oh, but that smells awesome. No, I smell that.
Yeah, smell, camera, smell.
Nope. Have a whiff. Thank
Yeah,
you.
Smells good, doesn't it?
Oh, what are we thinking? Another chocolate bar?
On top, yeah, sure.
How many we got left in here? 1, 2,
Well.
3, 4, 5. 5 plus 12 is 17, 16, 17. 17. Yeah, we're good. 17 divided by 2, 8.
Yeah.
Okay, we're good.
Okay. I was getting high on chocolate.
We're gonna put a little more cherry in there.
oh wow.
We're allowed to do that. I make the rules because I'm him.
I don't doubt that.
Fold, fold. Okay, and the same as last time, we just finna fold. Okay, so there is our cherry. So now I think the oil should be ready. We'll see. We'll do these first. These are 3 apple bombs.
Mm-hmm.
And then we'll get to the cherry. So let's see here.
Should be.
Ouch.
We did have a malfunction. We ran out of propane and we had to restart it. So should be good. Do a little test. We're good. We're good.
I didn't need to dump all in there.
You did not need to dump that all in there. It was comedic though.
Okay. I'm just gonna set these on the lid. It'll be okay.
Yeah.
That's really loud. Is ready? Alright. Going in with our first apple bomb here. This is my first apple bomb as an Eagle Scout.
I don't know.
Okay, this one is leaking, folks, and I couldn't tell you why. Leaking malfunctions everything. Awesome.
Oh, that's a good fire.
I'm just gonna set that there. I don't know what's going on with that one.
It's raining, folks.
I love that.
I got my hood up.
I have a litter and I got a litter too and do other stuff, so I'm good.
up with the oil today. I don't know what. What?
It's just something's wrong with the oil. It's nothing wrong with anything else. It's got to be the oil.
It could be the rain, actually.
It could be the rain.
Do you remember the rain? I don't remember the note, but I think that was right.
No, let's go for the wind, Noah.
Literally, we put everything on.
Oh, hey, it rain's on its way.
Hey, okay, we're gonna cut until this this is actually working.
Yeah.
So we'll be right back. Okay.
All right, I think it is done. Let's just strip it off. Lots of oil there.
Yeah, that looks
We're
good.
just gonna do a fingernail test. It's gonna be hot.
Yeah.
You can't hear it, but we
Can't
can.
hear it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna do these other three, but first we're gonna show you a little addition we're gonna try today. Okay.
Pull out the pocket.
How about a light duster of a little more cinnamon sugar?
I'm so warm. I'm so happy.
A leaf just hit me. I would put a little bit more. Yeah, there we go. Yeah,
Okay.
that's
We're
beautiful.
gonna do the other three, then we'll get
Beaut.
to Jaxson and Micah taste testing.
All right, we'll be back.
So,
All right,
Okay.
guys. This is an apple
I
bomb.
don't have
Three of them are
light
done.
over here.
yeah.
There
And
we go,
here's
we're
me,
good.
Micah.
Three of the apple bombs are
Yeah.
done. Micah is going to try. I think this is his first ever apple bomb.
This is
Absolutely,
his first
yes.
try.
I'm a apple bomb hater.
So here's what we're gonna do.
Maybe I'll
I
like
want to see your
it.
fork. We're gonna cut this open. We just want to see it. Okay. He's only gonna try a little bit, I think, but we'll see.
And if I like it, I'll eat the rest
Yeah,
of it.
I'll
So
hold the light
Let's
here.
hear it.
try to impress
Let's
me
hear
or
it.
whatever.
Oh, that's awesome. Okay. All right, Mike. I'm gonna cut this open for you.
Okay. I need. Daniel, my bedtime is in 30 minutes. I need to go. I want to go to sleep.
Oh, just look
I
at
don't think it'll
that.
take 30 minutes.
Look
to
at
eat
that. That is just absolutely fantastic.
That is
looking.
amazing.
I need to sleep.
All right, Micah. Let's just get you a little bite going on here. All right, Micah. Try that right there. Make sure you
Okay.
get all of it in there, all the apple and everything in there. So you might want to scoop it. Don't stab it.
So. Fascinating, Faye.
There we go. All right.
First impressions.
Not bad. Kind of might be cobbler.
It's pretty much the same ingredients of the apple cobbler, except for the
Well,
cinnamon
Micah,
sugar.
has this changed your?
No,
Oh.
no.
Oh.
There's one thing I'm not a huge fan of. There's that little appley. You know that sort of apple taste. I'm not a huge fan of that.
Okay.
That might explain why you don't like the apple.
That
bombs.
would probably.
you
Yeah,
don't
but,
like the apple
but hey,
taste.
but look here, y'all. I am gonna try the cherry one. Where the heck?
I don't know which one. Oh, we haven't tried it yet.
We'll get to it.
We'll
Okay,
get to it.
but when the cherry one comes out, I'll try it because I love cherry. So maybe I'll like it.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Okay.
All right, guys. We're gonna pause the video there. All right, guys. We just finished the first ever fried chocolate cherry bomb. Now I'm not gonna give my opinion yet, but I did try it. Okay. The guys only wanted one together, so Jackson's gonna cut it here. None of them have ever tried this, so Jackson's gonna cut it. He's gonna try it, and the rest of them are gonna try it. I wouldn't have cut the corner, but that's okay.
Well, I don't want that much.
There's gonna be absolutely nothing in there. Yep. Might as well just be a croissant
It might as well, honestly.
or cooked bread, if you will.
Hey.
Alright, we're gonna mutilate this thing so no one else can eat it. Here, solution. We take the croissant, we dip it in the
Oh,
filling.
Yes. All
There
right,
we go.
Jackson.
I give my
Give it a
opinion
bite.
on this.
No. What if I just go rest about here? I don't really want to go down there just to.
Now, I'm not a cherry fan myself. However, that was pretty good.
Pretty good.
Yeah, I did like the apple bomb, but maybe I like these because I love cherries. I was like, can't pick
Do
this
you
up
want
or
a
something. Yeah, sure. I struggle with life.
I think I have my fork. Here we go.
I say I struggle with life a lot, so, you know, this is nothing different.
That
Life
looks
is
like a good bite.
life is a
Take some
struggle
chocolate.
and everything. I need some chocolatey parts as well. I gotta have full experience, you know.
Yeah.
I'm not going to criticize it without having a full experience. That's what I live by the way. Good
That
Lord.
is a great way to live.
Okay. I sorry, it's kind of middling for me because I love the cherry parts. I love how that sweet it makes it. But I just don't like the chocolate part. I feel like it just makes it just I don't know.
Too
But-
sweet.
No, not sweet. I just feel like just there's a little extra flavor that unnecessary.
Conflicting flavors.
Conflicting. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
That's it. But otherwise, I think it's pretty good. I give it 8 out of 10.
Nice. Thank you for trying it.
I will say it's very awesome, honestly. If you know anything, my hands are like the hands of Greek gods and have a powerful touch. Anything I touch is good.
That's me, please.
Cameraman is now saved.
Yes, thank
You see this water?
Oh,
It will be wine by tomorrow. We're just not going to record that.
Awesome.
What can I say? My only complaint is with the butter, like I explained. I do think that we actually put too much, even though we didn't even put a lot. So I would definitely cut down on the butter a little bit. But other than that, I mean, guys, there's just no. Let's see if I can get in there. Maybe. Oh, guys. I mean,
Okay, no, I don't like that. I don't like
Cherry.
that.
There's just no beating
I
that.
do not like the
Daniel,
look of that.
Daniel,
Me either.
I don't like that, man.
but you know what, guys? Sometimes it's not what's on the outside that counts, but it's what's on the inside. So thanks, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and we'll see you later.